Hybrid versus plug-in hybrid. Which is the smarter choice for you? That's exactly what we're going to figure out today. Welcome to Car 101, where we help you master the art of car buying and ownership. For many consumers, the thought of moving from a traditional gas car to a fully electric car can feel like a big leap. That's where hybrid and plug-in hybrid cars come in a perfect middle ground for anyone wanting to reduce their reliance on gas without fully committing to electric. But which one should you choose? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which type of hybrid suits your needs best. Let's start with hybrids. A hybrid car is essentially a gas-powered car that gets a boost from an electric motor and battery pack. The electric motor works as a helper, taking some of the workload off the gas engine and improving fuel economy. Take this 2020 Ford Escape Hybrid, for example. Compared to its gas-only counterpart, it's up to 50% more fuel efficient, achieving around 40 miles per gallon. That's a big jump from the 30 mpg you'd get with the standard gas model. And the best part, the price premium for the hybrid version is only about $1,000 to $2,000 more. Given the savings at the pump, most hybrids pay for themselves within just a few years. Hybrids like the Toyota Corolla Hybrid and the RAV4 Hybrid are known for their reliability. Toyota's been perfecting hybrid technology for over 20 years, and their hybrids are some of the most dependable cars on the road. Maintenance? No extra hassle. And those concerns about battery replacement? Almost a non-issue. Hybrid batteries rarely fail, and most come with 8-10-year warranties. If they do need replacing, affordable aftermarket options are available. Now, let's talk about plug-in hybrids, or PHEVs. These are like regular hybrids, but with bigger batteries and electric motors, giving them the ability to drive on pure electricity for a limited range, usually between 25 to 55 miles. This means that if your daily commute falls within that range, you could potentially avoid using gas altogether. And if the electric range runs out, the gas engine takes over seamlessly. Charging a PHEV is simple. Using a level 2 charger, you can fully charge most plug-in hybrids in under 4 hours. Even with a standard household outlet, overnight charging gets the job done. Plug-in hybrids do cost more upfront, typically $4,000 to $8,000 more than regular hybrids. But depending on where you live, government incentives and tax rebates can significantly lower the cost, sometimes making them cheaper than regular hybrids. So, which is the better choice? Hybrid or plug-in hybrid? It all comes down to your lifestyle. If you don't have access to a charger or mostly drive long distances, a hybrid is the simpler, hassle-free option. But if you can charge regularly and your daily driving is within a plug-in hybrid's electric range, you'll save even more on gas. Here are some of the top hybrid and plug-in hybrid models on the market right now: the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, Ford Escape, Honda CR-V Hybrid, and the Hyundai Tucson Plug-In Hybrid. Just remember, hybrids and plug-ins are in high demand, so plan ahead. You might face long wait times for popular models like the RAV4. So, whether you go with a hybrid or a plug-in hybrid, both are fantastic options for saving money on gas and making the transition to cleaner driving. Let me know in the comments which one you're considering, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our top 10 hybrid models video for more guidance. Thanks for watching Car 101, and see you next time.